So this is a quick guide on Meta and how it works. So for permissions for Facebook, you'll see this authenticate with Facebook. When you click on this, these are the permissions that we need. So we ask to opt into one, pages. This gives Ad Manager the ability to launch with different pages as ads. So this is required when you need to launch ads. If you want to launch under home security today as a page, then you need to have it selected. You might have permissions issue if you try to launch an ad where you haven't given Ad Manage access to the page. So you can click opt in all to make sure you don't have any permissions issue, or you can select them one by one. Then for the business, you also want to do the same thing, is that this will give access to the ad accounts within these. You can click opt into all or the selected ones where you want to be able to launch ads into. And then these are the API permissions where basically we can read the content on the pages, we can create and manage ads, we can read user content, which are the comments, and we can see a list of pages that you manage. And we can manage the business in terms of launching ads, creating ads. So, and we can also see stats on the ads. And this is what we need. This can be reversed at any time as well. So after you click save, what happens next is that we just return, and then you can see here it's been authenticated. You can go to the permissions actually if you want to see a breakdown of the actual data that gets set in the permissions tab. And here, these are all the ad accounts that we have access to and the respective pages that we have access to. And if you want to ever disconnect, you can disconnect here by going to facebook.com/settings/business-tools. So here you can see that I have all these things, and you can just click remove here if you have any concerns about permissions. Again, we double encrypt everything to make sure it's completely secure. We've passed our CASA Security 2 audit, and your security is our number one concern and priority. So again, that's a little bit about the Facebook permissions, how it works in Ad Manage, and how it can be revoked both in Facebook, or you can also delete the ad account or ask us to delete any of your data, and we will immediately comply. So thank you very much.